they said that they survived and they're going to have a big bar mitzvah for me. They had no money. But somehow, and I have it all on tape, they had a huge bar mitzvah for me and basically invited every survivor that lived in a close enough area to attend and who would be willing to come from all over. It wasn't black tie, but it was, dressed really well. And the funny story is, this is a classic, that my father had a friend who was known as Monyuk the tailor, because he was a tailor in the old country. And he summoned Monyuk to the house. It was almost like, the Godfather summoning the guy to fix up Sonny after he was shot at the causeway. He said, Monyuk, it's Max's bar mitzvah coming up, and you need to make him a special suit. So Monyuk said, Ziggy, whatever you want, I will make him a special mohair suit. And my father said, I'm going to give you one direction for the suit, because Max is going to get a lot of gifts in envelopes. You make those pockets deep enough in the suit that he could put every envelope to, because we don't want anybody taking those envelopes. And I swear, he made this mohair suit where you could stick your hand into the pocket and it would reach your knee. And I kept that suit forever. And the bar mitzvah was great. And we have it on film. I don't know how they did it. They had no money. And it was a classic bar mitzvah.